guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be my favorite Amazon products of 2022. First of all, Happy New Year. I feel like everyone's been saying this, but that's only because we all feel the same. I cannot believe it's 2023. Like what? Like I can't believe that. Where did the time go? But over the course of the past year of 2022, I did a bunch of Amazon shopping. If you have been following for a while, following me on Instagram, you know this by now. And I thought today I could come on and share my top like 10 to 15 products that I purchased last year that I'm absolutely obsessed with, in love with, you need, but it's not really a need. You get it. If you get it, you get it. So I'm really, really excited about it. You all seem to really love the last Amazon video that I filmed. I'll link that up in the cards. So I thought, you know what? It's the beginning of a new year. Let's reflect back one last time of 2022. All of my Amazon favorites are gonna be in this one. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna hang out with me, see what I've been loving from Amazon all last year, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first product we're gonna start with is something that's kind of small, but made such a huge difference in my life. I use this thing every single day and it is a frother. So I really started to like up my game as far as like working out. I would say like towards the end of last year. Going along with that, I've been taking a lot of different supplements, adding things to my water like amino acids, taking a pre-workout. I have also this magnesium powder that I pour into like my waters at the end of the day, and all of that is like powdered form. So the frother really comes in handy. You can obviously use this frother if you're making like coffee in the morning and you want to froth up milk. I think that's actually what it's made for. But for me, when I mix in my supplements into like a fresh pressed juice or even into just plain water, I really like to mix up that powder. The frother is my best friend. I'll in the morning pour my pre-workout into water, blend it out really, really good so it's no like powdery, like chalky taste. To me, it tastes better. It's like a texture thing. I really, really recommend this. Okay, and the second product is something that you all continuously buy. It's always like my top selling product on my Amazon storefront, and that is the under cabinet light strips that I have in my kitchen. I just recently put them in my pantry. I have them in my butler's pantry. They really set the vibe. I told you this in the last video that I am romanticizing my life. I am such a lighting girl. If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. Lighting is everything. It could take a plain, like boring space and make it feel like elevated, like you're at a hotel. Just set the mood. It's rechargeable, so you can actually take the light part off of the metal plate and charge it. You can set it to a sensor so that the light turns on when it senses motion. You can obviously turn it off and then just turn it on. I usually just keep it on. Like when the sun sets and it's dark, I just turn those on to like set the vibe, and then I turn them off like when we're going upstairs. It's not that big of a hassle, but it's definitely a more affordable option if you want lighting under your cabinets, but you don't want to hire like an electrician and do the whole thing. Like this is just easier. I really like it. I think it's beautiful. It's a nice warm white. I got a couple questions. What light did I get? I do not recommend getting like the bright white light. I never buy white light anything. I always get more of like a warmer light just because I feel like it's easier on the eyes. Like highly recommend them, 10 out of 10. Okay, sticking with lights, we are gonna talk about my spotlights. I've said this before, but if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I have shown my living room spotlights pretty much in like every other video. I'm obsessed with them. My living room has completely transformed into like a resort oasis when I turn these spotlights on. I put them behind the faux trees, faux stems, vases, and plants in my house, and it just shines up onto the plant or the tree, and it just makes it look so elevated. It feels like you're in a tropical resort. You know how they have like spotlights as you're like walking down to like your fancy dinner by the beach? That's what it feels like all the time. Like it is just so nice, especially at night. But honestly, I keep these on even during the day because I just love the vibe of it. If you have fake trees or real ones, if you have faux plants or real ones, putting the spotlight behind the vase shining upwards trust me. And I said I am such a lighting girl, so the next one is another piece of lighting. It is this touch lamp. It's like a table lamp. I love this. I feel like I'm saying that all the time, but I really love this lamp. It's touch, like I said, it's rechargeable. You can touch it and hold it to make the light dimmer, or touch and hold again to make it brighter. It's just perfect. If you want to set the vibe, if you're romanticizing your life in 2023, you need this in your bathroom, which might sound weird. Like, why would you have like a lamp in the bathroom? But trust me, when you were taking your nighttime shower, you had a long day, maybe the kids were driving you crazy, and this is the only 20 minutes that you have, turn on this lamp, you just touch it on, have all the rest of the lights off, maybe light a couple candles, turn on your shower, and I'm telling you, it's the perfect amount of lighting. You can obviously like still see, but it just feels so relaxing and dim and just cozy. You're taking a nice hot shower, you've got the dim lights, maybe a candle, maybe you have on like some like spa music. It just feels good to the soul, and I'm all about that life. Like anything that just like feels right, sign me up for it. And this table like touch lamp is one of those. I love it. I cannot take my nighttime shower without this little lamp. It has become a staple in my life. Okay, so moving on, we're actually gonna talk about one more light situation. Guys, I'm obsessed. This should just be like the Amazon lighting video. So this is the last one though. These art lights are everything. So again, it's one of those like lighting situations that you don't need wiring for, but I really think it makes any art piece that you have up on your wall just look elevated. It looks a little bit more like styled and sophisticated and just fancy when you have like a large canvas art or framed art or just like a large art piece. You can literally get this from like Home Goods, put it up on your wall, have the art light above your piece of art and have the light on, shining down. Again, we're doing warm light, not the bright white, stark white light. That's a little bit harsh. We're going for more of like setting the vibe cozy in the evenings. So shine it on warm light and it just looks so good. Like I love this. We have this up in our bedroom and we have our little like entryway table and some ottomans underneath, and it is just so fancy looking. It just looks elevated. It looks like, ooh, it looks designed. Like it's like, okay, she knows what she's doing. She has an art light above there. It's just like that extra touch of like, oh, you're fancy. You're not new to this, you're true to this, and I love it. Okay, so moving away from the lighting situation, the desk in my office, like it really doesn't have that much storage, so it just has 2 pull-out drawers, and it was completely messy and it was just a bad situation. I could never find anything. So I got these drawer organizers. This is honestly nothing new, but it makes such a big difference. If you have not hopped on the bandwagon of drawer organizers, you need to. It just keeps everything like together and neat and organized. You can put certain things of a certain size in like a certain compartment. I have my pens in one. I have like my planner agenda in one. I keep, well, for me, I keep my camera in a section and then like my tripods because I use them every day. And like, it's just, it keeps your things nice, neat, and organized. Since I've had these drawer organizers, my desk has not been messy. And I wanna say I've had them for 8 months at this point, and my desk has been organized. I haven't had to clean out my desk since. So it's one of those things where it's like you buy it once, you organize it once, and then you don't have to think about it. Okay, so I kind of spoke about this earlier when I was talking about our nighttime shower, but these are some shower products that I absolutely love. I take my nighttime shower very serious. I actually shower in the morning and night. My nighttime shower is more of like a getting ready for bed, like a soothing type of shower. I don't know if that makes sense. So I love these shower shelves. I have not had any issues with these. I was worried that they were gonna like get weak over time or maybe fall, but they have not. They are sturdy, they are strong, but I will say when we're using shower products in these shelves, if I have a product that has a pump, I'm not pumping it in the shelf. Like I kind of take it out and then pump it because I don't want to add any like extra pressure on the shelf, if that makes sense. So we have 2 of them. We do keep a lot of products on them. It's really nice. It's a nice way to organize your items, your products, and it looks really aesthetic. And then the next shower product is a shower speaker. I absolutely love this. These are things that like if you get it, you get it. say a shower speaker, like honey, like it's gonna be a concert in there. It's for me, when I'm taking a shower, it's a concert in there, at least the morning one. But the nighttime one, I love to have just like relaxing spa music like on the speaker. Like, oh my gosh, you feel like you're in a completely different oasis. This is perfect. I absolutely love it. The lights are dim, the speaker is on with spa music. Like, oh, it's just top tier. And then if you want to take it a step further, I also have this phone case for your shower. So it's a waterproof case. You put your phone in there, you can watch YouTube videos, you can have your phone set up, and if you're listening to music with your speaker, you can like hit next for the next song or like whatever it is. And then once you take your shower, when you get out, you have to have a towel warmer. So I showed a lot of these in my last video about how I set like a cozy Christmas vibe, but it obviously doesn't have to be like Christmas or even winter to want like a warm towel after your shower. I love this towel warmer. What I like to do is put my towel in the towel warmer even before I get in the shower. So like if I know, okay, I'm about to take a shower, the first thing I'll do is put my towel in there so that it's like really, really warm, like hot pretty much by the time I get out of the shower, and it just wraps you up in a warm towel. Like it just feels so good. Again, you have the dim lights, you have the candle, you've got the spa music, you've got a warm towel around you. Like I don't know anyone who wouldn't want that. So this is definitely a must-have. Okay, so moving on, the next thing that I purchased last year is this gold floor lamp. This is pretty much an exact dupe for the Restoration Hardware floor lamp. It looks just like it. It comes in silver, it comes in black, but I purchased the gold one. I have it in the sunroom, and I think it's just very, very aesthetic. It's one of those lamps that like if you have a place where you can't fit something like huge, you don't want a ginormous lamp, maybe you don't have the space for it, but you want a little something just for added light, I highly recommend this lamp. You can like press the button and turn it on, and I have ours next to our couch in the sunroom. So like if I'm reading, if I wake up like earlier in the morning and I want to read like my Bible or just like journal or anything like that, or even just have like a cup of tea to just like have a quiet moment, I love having this light on, and I just think it's really, really chic. It's really pretty. It's a very modern floor lamp, and I just love it. Okay, 2022 was like the year of me buying so many aesthetic glassware, like drinkware from Amazon. I have so many different funky, unique shapes. I have ribbed ones. I have ones that are like geometric. I have little like champagne, like cocktail ones, mugs. Like I have so many different drinkware, glassware sets, and I absolutely love them. I feel like Amazon is the perfect place to purchase things like this because they just have like a variety of different glassware, and there's something about it that, again, if you get it, you get it. Very special about having a, I don't know, like a lemonade and like slicing up lemon slices like in the cup and having your little lemonade. Like it just is like cutesy. This is not a need, but like you need it. It's just, like I said, like romanticizing your life, just like making little things feel special, and these cups and drinkware do that for me. Like it just makes me feel like, oh, this is so cute. Like, yeah, I could have like lemonade in like a boring cup, but like why do that when you could make it special and have like a fun cup? You know what I mean? Okay, and the last Amazon favorite of 2022 are these two-way plugs. I don't even know if that's like the exact term, but basically they are these plugs that you plug into like your outlet, like a normal plug, like a charging like brick, like one of those charging bricks, but you can stick in two cords at the same time. So this is perfect. I use these for our under cabinet lighting. So remember I told you that those lights are rechargeable? Well, because I have so many of them, if I were to charge each of them individually in their own socket, we would pretty much use up every single socket down here. Well, not really, we have more than that, but like you get it. Like it would be a lot of sockets used to like charge all these different like lighting strips. So I really like these charging bricks because they have two ports, I guess, where you can stick in your charging cords. So you basically charge two things for like the price of one, I guess, in a way. And it's just really handy. So I'm able to charge 4 of our lighting strips by just using 2 sockets. So again, it's just really, really handy. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. Those are all of my 2022 Amazon favorites, all the things that I purchased last year that I love. 2022 was definitely a good year for Amazon, but definitely subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot more Amazon videos. You all seem to really like these, and I'm constantly shopping on Amazon. So yeah, you guys, with all of that being said, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my 2022 Amazon must-haves, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.